Florida Welcome Center. This is a Train XR13. This is a heat pump. This is a heat pump with a climate-tough compressor. See the reversing valve there? This does the snack area. Make this real quick. Manufactured for 2007. Model 2 TWR 3048A1000AA. Serial is 7155PHF2F. Climate-tough, Duratough spine, fin, Weathertron. Hang on. R22 refrigerant. It's a 4-ton. I believe it's a 4-ton. And there's more back here. Let's see if there is. Oh crap, they may be on the roof. No, they can't be on. They're on the roof. Here's the package unit. There's one up there.
What is this?
Transformers. Let's just keep looking because I bet you that's the only one on the. Will you hush? There's another one up there. They're all trained. What? That one over there at the snack bar was 4-ton, I believe, 2.5 or 4. Let's see what else there is. That may be the only one on the ground. Oh no. And she just found one for me.
No, I didn't.
What? Oh goody. Who could waste 30 minutes here? I know. No, you. Well, I'll be a son of a gun. Here are they. Look at the midget reams. That is huge. Weather King. They're in cool mode. See if I can find a sticker.
Okay, that's cool.
No. This is made by Weather King Division of Addison Products, Orlando, Florida, USA. Model RC194-3E-08-AAAN-G. Serial is 9505-012-05001. This has what do you have in you? I don't see what refrigerant it has, but this is made by Addison, if you can read that. The Weather King. I thought that was a Rheem brand, but it's one of them that has dual fins. Dual fins, duh. And here are the, here are the midget Rheem Classics. These are the smallest air conditioners I have ever seen, right? These are manufactured February 2007, model RAKB-036CAZ. I don't know if these are heat pumps. And this one, oh, and the refrigerator just turned on. 3-ton. This one is also a 3-ton, model RAKB-036CAZ. 2007 it was made. Rheem. And then there's the doohickeys, or whatever you want to call them. And the refrigerator component. Are these heat pumps? I have no way of telling if these are heat pumps. Let me see if I can tell. These are indeed heat pumps, I believe. Will you hush? And this is a, what are you? I don't know if this is an air conditioner. Hang on. What? Bone. I believe that's a refrigerator, but I'm not entirely sure. I don't know if these are heat pumps. Yeah, Bone refrigerator. And this is the largest air conditioner I have yet to see. It's made by Addison. Oh, it's actually 2 units made together. See there? It's actually 2 units. Right, I'm busy. It's running at 5 minutes almost. I thought Weather King was Rheem. Yeah, Bone. But them are the smallest Rheems. Thanks for watching.